Hey there, this is Matt. Welcome back. Today, this is for you if you're someone reading a lot of books, listening to a lot of podcasts, watching a lot of videos, especially how to step by step about business, about marketing, about growing your dreams, but you don't find yourself taking as much action, or maybe you're a bit confused. Or maybe you're stuck in this loop where you look for information, you start taking action, and then you stop, look for more information, start taking action, and then you stop. It's exhausting, but you're not the only one. I was stuck in this cycle, and I see so many entrepreneurs, especially the ones that start a new business, but also the more established ones that want to grow their business. Whenever I have a conversation with them, there are so many that get stuck into looking for more information. So here's why in this video I want to help you make sense of that and help you understand when is information helping you, when is information getting in the way. So let's make this clear. Information is amazing. Being able to understand the step-by-step, being able to understand what works and doesn't work from someone else's experience instead of having to go through the hard things and the trial and error yourself, it's a giant advantage over anyone else. So information is good, books are good, steps by steps are good. The problem is when you overdo it, because the difference is this: just in case information and just in time information. Just in time information is something that you need right now. Say that you're starting a new business, well, you want to know, how do I find a new product? Who's my audience? But just in case information will be stuff like, how do I automate my funnel? Or how do I get my 100th customer? Well, it doesn't really matter because you don't even have a product right now. So we get so overwhelmed in the details and we kind of optimize nothing. So we don't really have anything grown, or our business is maybe not to a level where optimizing makes sense. And yet we want to optimize our website, our copy, the marketing, whatever. That's a classic entrepreneur mistake. And the reason why that is that it's actually scary to take action. It's scary to take responsibility. And so looking for external information, it's kind of like a way to, delegate that responsibility and go like, you know what, I don't have to figure it out. But in business, you have to figure it out. There is no boss. There is no teacher giving you homework. You have to find your own way. And yes, you can find what works for other people, but you still have to translate it to your dreams, your industry, your business, your situation. So you have to adapt what worked for others. You have to take responsibility. You have to be the boss. So information gets in the way when it's just in case, and it's actually a great buffer from three things. Number one, it delays you having to take action because you say, I'm not ready yet. I need to read another book, listen to another podcast. So you don't have to launch a product. You don't have to talk to your customers. You don't have to hire someone. You can just wait a little bit before you do what is actually scary but will give you the results. So sometimes information is a bit of a buffer, and that's why we look for more of it. Then we've got shiny object syndrome and fear of missing out. We want to make sure that we're doing the best thing, that we are squeezing as much out of all the infinite opportunities that we have in front of us. The problem is every opportunity also has a downside. Something may be very cheap, but it may be high competition. Something else may be very easy, but it may cost a lot of money. I don't know, but everything's got pros and cons. So at some point, you just have to let go and trust that what you're doing will work out. You will trust that you will make it work out. The third point is when you look for external information, when you look for the external hack, what you're doing really is you believe that success in business comes from knowing the cheat codes of the video game instead of actually having skills and making it happen. You believe that success is something external that will come if you find the right hack. This is a very disempowering mindset because it tells you that success depends on having the cheat codes and on finding that luck instead of making it happen. Instead of showing up so much and finding your way so often, so passionately that you run out of unluck. That whenever something goes the wrong way, you find a way anyway, and that's how you run out of unluck. So anyway, this is why information can get in the way sometimes. So if you find yourself in this cycle, looking for more information, not knowing what you should be doing next, getting stuck all the time, maybe getting distracted by another opportunity, the ultimate way of doing this, or the latest trend to make money online. Well, this is why you're not taking responsibility. By the way, if you're launching a business or if you need some clarity in your step-by-step, well, book a call with me so that I can help you make sense of what the next steps are and make you independent so that you actually don't need to rely on an external crutch. So get in touch if that's you. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel. I will send you videos, but make sure that they're not too many and they're relevant, and I won't take it personally if you don't watch one. Have a great rest of your week, and until next time, take care and take action.